Fantastic, everyone, and welcome, everyone. I can hope everyone, nothing, everyone. There you are, everyone. Welcome, everyone, to live analysis and forex trading plus gold for dollar, Aussie, euro, pound, whatever we're going to go through today. Great, fantastic. Finally, someone is again. Have I ever been in a bad mood? No, so yeah, let's go. Fantastic. Let me see if I can. We have now 8 people here today. Great. Aloha. 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 So, today we have. I started being late. Sorry, this is late in the evening. But, things happen. It is Easter holiday for me right now. I'm actually taking a holiday that I didn't anticipate to take. But I have been absolutely everywhere else. There is family visiting, there is other things happening. So, some of you guys know where I've been lately. I have been looking at caravans for costing like 1.3 million. So it's basically luxury homes on wheels. So in Norway, a normal house would cost maybe 3 million, and it's costing 1.4 just for would just put it on the wheels. So it's basically a whole home. And yeah, so I wasn't there. I was just with that person. So yeah, been having fun with the elderly. Anyways, how are you guys doing? Yeah, I've asked you how are you in the chat. You guys are supposed to be, answering that. Hello, Sammy. Hello, Cypher, and hello, Ally. Great, fantastic people. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that trading. We have a break lower. Considering that the land rate. Yeah. Yeah, that's true. But it's absolutely weird how expensive things is in Norway. So, it it is what it is, I guess. It's nothing else than that. So, let me see if I can put some music in the background for you. You guys hear that, maybe? I'll just take it down on my own. Then see on the thing how much you guys have. Yeah, something maybe. Yeah, great. So, who said hello? Babu said hello. Great. So, what we were expecting for April? We were expecting this to come down. Well, what did we got? We got what we got. So, we have a lower low. Great. Fantastic. What does that mean? Well, that does mean that within the next few hours, days, or something like that, we are considering to sell. On the 4 hour, or the 1 hour at least, we are still at support. We haven't broken anything. So we have broken that. So that's great, fantastic. So I still want us to break that on the 4 hour, but still, anyways, other than that, we are actually turning lower. That is what I want to see, basically. So pretty good day. Good day today. The other thing is, what else I want to say to you today? I normally never, well, my wife normally almost never give you discounts. So if you guys remember me, my wife told me to give you $100 off the 6-month subscription only for Easter, and only for 2 people. So if there's any interest in that, I will make sure that I will do that. So I'm just mentioning it now. If you want $100 off the 6 month, then you have to comment, and then I will give it to you. It's 1st of April today. I'm not quitting YouTube yet. Maybe I should, but maybe I haven't done that yet. So yeah, great. If you want that, please type in, and I will make sure it happens. Unless I will just put in the Discord for everyone else later on. So we have what we want. We have break lower. Fantastic. Good day. That's what we want. So, have you started to sell the dollar yet? Well, let's go to euro, for example. I gave out this chart in the general chat this morning, I think it was, or today, earlier today. I said that if price goes back down to 1750 area, That would be great. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. But no, this day, today, what am I supposed to say? Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. But there is no, no financial advice whatsoever. But what I want to say as well, April's Fool, yeah. So you guys know Hardik, this guy. There's an Indian guy sometime in this chat. I called him and I said, bro. Do you know what I did today? I quit YouTube. And he's like, seriously? Are you quitting? No, you can't quit. Is it NFP tomorrow? Really? Oh, damn. It's in the future tomorrow. Wow. So, I thought it was Wednesday today, people. Literally. Is it Wednesday today? It's Thursday? Wow. Like, are you guys sure? Like, really? No, wait. It's April's Fool today. I don't believe you. Let me see if I can I like Harman? I don't believe you. Harman, I don't believe you. Come back tomorrow. So if you still says NFP tomorrow, I will then believe you. Janadai, how are you? So I didn't call it, but I actually bought somewhere in this area earlier today. So we had a break higher on that candle, and I bought somewhere here. So I already have a very small. Jesus, what's wrong with this thing today? So people want to know about NFP tomorrow. Okay. During my research, I have seen. That was terrible. So what I've seen is somewhere between 60,000 and 70,000. Okay. So what I would normally tell you guys is that NFP would normally send the dollar up. That could happen tomorrow. Great. Yes. True. Very, very, very realistic. Yes. But keep that in mind. There you are. Hardik. Hardik, did I fool you today? I just talked about you, that I said I fooled you. So the question becomes, did I fool you today? So how would I think then the market is going to react to that? We have been very strong on dollar lately. So I think, and we are coming into Easter, I think the reaction, one, we might have USD down. We might have a strong number, so above 6,000, strong number. 3, above 65,000. That's my calculations, my setup. And 4, that would be sending dollar down, stronger number. Which is contradicting to normal, which I would normally say dollar strength, and I would say low movement. Okay, low. Can't even spell that. Okay, now low move, like low movement, like low volatility. Someone was fooled today. I don't know who it is, but yeah. So that is my NFP prediction. NFP, I think anything above 650k. Can't even spell. What's wrong with me usually? 650k. Okay, that's what I think. So I think that will then lead to USD weakness. It normally will be dollar weakness. No, it only will be done dollar bullishness. And I've normally said that, and I normally say that, but I think this time is different. But yeah, just because of seasonality. So yeah, boom. Hardik, come on, guy. You can't just come in once and just say something and just go. So how do you treat this one now? I would say now we have challenges high. Then the next becomes, are we going back to this low? Are we going back to this low? Or are we going back here? Everything is then plausible. Okay? It's even just possible to just go higher anyways. So I think you have to be there for London Open. I think that will probably be the low. And see, look at that. Look at that, people. Look at that. Isn't that what you call a fib? So, you know, pretty fantastic. So any of those prices that I just mentioned, we will look to buy. And if it just goes higher, doesn't really matter. That can also be possible. So the cards are now open. It's only up to you of how you feel, how much you can take the drawdown. So down to this level, there is 20-30 pips. Okay. So within the next 30 pips down, we'll probably have a buy entry. All right, great. Then I just want to make sure that my music is, thoughts on gold. Okay, we can do pound dollar. We can do pound dollar. We can do gold. Ready to buy gold. Euro USD. Okay, we will go through that. We'll consider that, and then we will see how it goes. My phone. Discord. That's a nice one. That's a nice one, bro. And I hate my own commercials, but that's what it is, I guess. Why did I say that? Do you guys see the backing music? Just checking. Very little. Okay, we can do something more there, maybe. Try something more and then see how it goes. Okay. Great. What I wanted to show you was what Mr. Sami posted in the group. That's how you react to me going live, people. I can't even do that. There it is. That's how you react to me going live. Yes! Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Oh. I think we'll better wait until NFP releases to buy Euro USD. Eric, yes, of course. Of course, Eric. The other thing that I would point out is, of course, but don't be scared. The reason why NFP moved a lot before, so unless there's an absolutely extraordinary number, I would tell you to leave. But of course, look, any trade, you're not supposed to risk more than 1% anyways. So if it goes against you, then shouldn't matter. It shouldn't matter, people. Okay? So what's the target for Euro? I think target for Euro is, I'm not sure if it's 122 or if it's 125. I will give you updates on that. All right, great. So I'm sorry if I'm not too enthusiastic today, but yeah, that's me today. Okay. Are we going to do live when FP comes out? I asked you guys. Do you guys want me to go live tomorrow? So we have a poll. I will take a poll. Poll. NFP. Let's see, how many people want that to happen? 1, yes. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Nobody is. And then Sammy says yes, yes, yes. Okay, that's 1, 2, 3. Okay. Yeah, okay, I will try. Okay, everyone said that. Herman has not said it yet. Okay, cool. So the result is overwhelmingly people want me to do it. And that'd be yes. Okay. Thank you guys. That is so amazing. I appreciate it. Thank you. And on Ice Maths, I've never heard your about before. Welcome to the channel. Cheers. If you guys want to be notified when I go live for NFP tomorrow, please hit the subscribe button and the bell so you get notified as well. It's up to you, but yeah, just say. This is the world's best drink. You take so you will get refreshed. Coca-Cola bringing people together. What time? I think 30 minutes before. So that would be 2 p.m. Yeah, whatever. 30 minutes before the event, I think. So I can go through my strategy through it. We can talk to some technical analysis. He buys some Coca-Cola shares. Well, every time I mention it, Sam is buying Coca-Cola shares. Okay. What are we doing? Let's see. So here and here. So this is your buy zone. And you will then guess where's the next one? This one. The question now becomes, how far and how deep are we gonna go and how high are we gonna go? So my target for pound is 140 or above. So somewhere up in this area, I think it's gonna go. We currently have a higher high, higher low situation as we are building. We are going higher from here, I think. So I think this is a great reversal at around 137. Cadian made a higher high but closed its weekly lows near 3 weeks ago. Now it's in the kill zone. This pair can soon drop 100 pips. Patience is key. Yeah, maybe not, maybe. I see CAD going higher in April, so that's not a bet I will take. It has been very strong so far. It can, yes, drop, but you're coming into a very strong Canadian dollar time, so I would be very cautious. I would rather look for buys actually on CAD more than anything else. But you know, it's up to you. I'm just telling what I would based upon my experience, and it's as many years as 7, and I'm pretty good on yen pairs, I would say, so that's why I'm still alive. All right. Oh, New Zealand is soon breaking out of my little box that I made. Oh, no, okay. So euro, we have broken higher. We're looking for buys in this area here. Pound, we are looking for buys in this area here, and that's 138 around-ish. And then we were looking at, what was the next one? We were looking at pound dollar, gold. Gold. Let's go for gold. Thank you guys for all the new people coming in today. If you would like to subscribe, that would be awesome. But I would rather you come to me, say what your challenges is, and I'm here to help you out becoming a better Forex trader. I have been trading Forex for 7 years. I have started out with nothing. I've not done any course. When I started out, I have no mentor, and I'm just one of you guys trying to teach you how to trade like a pro. How to trade pros will wait. Did I trade anything this week? No, not really. Maybe on Monday. I think I just closed on Monday. So I haven't traded for the past, was it 3 days now? I have just been doing nothing on my trades because it's not been bullish. I've been waiting. Patience is key. Patience is key. I will be live tomorrow for NFP. So if you want to join in there as well, please very much welcome. Then I would also everyone to appreciate those who are becoming YouTube members that are growing every day, it seems like. So I do appreciate those. If you're a YouTube member on my channel, I will give you top priority first. You will get your comment read first, and there's a live with fundamental analysis every Sunday at 5 p.m. So if that's something to you, then welcome. If not, we are welcome every Sunday at 19:30 GMT +2 or around 2:30 or something in New York time. So, gold. We actually have a double bottom here. Okay, great. Is it bullish? Well, it's getting there. Seems like April has skyrocketed, but there's a void here. I don't know if it's going to I don't know if it's ever going to be hit. It doesn't need to. Just remember around 1700, there's a void that has not been filled. It has not come back down and made that. But yeah, so is it time to buy gold? Well, what do you want? I would probably wait until tomorrow morning for this one. Probably. Personally. You want to buy right now? Probably not. But are you allowed to start buying? Yeah, I would say so. The only question that I would say is NFP can send this one down, whatever down, or higher, depending. But that is big risk. It's high risk for NFP. So you might then not get in where you want. You might then be waiting for after NFP. That's totally up to you of how you perceive risk. But how I would trade personally, my personal opinion only, is I would wait for NFP, see if I can get a bottom, and take it up. If that's during NFP, after NFP, I don't know. It can also just go higher. So you will go then probably then to 15 minutes time frame. As you go higher, you buy. As you go higher, you buy, and then you put your stop loss to break even. As you enter a new one, you put stop loss to break even, and then you just move in as much as you can. You move higher, as long as you're going higher. Stop loss previous low, goes higher. There, enter again, move stop loss to break even, and then you just go as you go, as long as it goes higher. Are you trading daily time frames with 4-hour entries? No, I am trading for 1 hour on. I'm trading on 1 hour on 4-hour analysis. I can also do 1 hour analysis on trading on 1 hour and 1 hour analysis, by the way. But yeah, so in my book right now, we are starting to kick off the stop losses. And this is the double bottom. And you might also do this and say, we are going above 1755 or 60 before we buy. That's another thing. But I think that there's a lot of stop losses in here, by the way. But do remember, gold is for hedging, okay? Hedging, not for profit, only for hedging. So there might be that you would experience large wicks. Okay, this, that you would call manipulation. Okay, happens from gold, because it's a lot of big boys. They don't really care about what happens on the smaller time frame. They don't care about what happens here. They don't care about what happens here. They're thinking, okay, we have gone from 2000 to 1729. We have bottomed out at 1700. Okay, then we're probably going to take it up here. And they will just wait. But USD is stronger than can gold move higher? It goes into my analysis. So I'm expecting USD to weaken. Okay? So as we're coming in now into April, I'm expecting it to weaken. And that's just my theory. And then I will trade it based upon that theory. Right now, what's happening right now, today, this moment, it is happening. We have seen dollar DXY breaking the previous low here and falling. So I would say that's coming true at the moment. It's currently coming through. So currently, we are doing much better. And what is the strategy from now on? Okay? How do you play it from now? I would say every day is an opportunity. Okay? Mostly before London. That is your opportunity. What does that mean? That means that's probably the low. When we are coming into New York, it's already way too late. So you either have to trade, if you're living in New York or in America, you have to probably to trade before you go to bed, and then see how it goes in London, and break up by New York Open and see how it went. Because New York Open is probably, it is too late already. So be aware of that. Just trying to find the song. Can we use moving average to trade? That's totally up to you. I'm not going to put myself into that. If that's what you want, great. I'm currently using 3, 5, 8, 21, 55, 200 on my charts. So what I would say is I need this one to cross over here, and I would then follow the red line as we come down here, as we come down here. But yeah, it's lagging. So it's lagging. That's up to you. But I would just use support and resistance. That is gold and non-gold. Support and resistance, 50% Feb. That's what normally goes on gold. So we have 14 likes today. Thank you very much for all those likes. I really appreciate it. We have 30 people, 32 people right now. We have 14 likes. Thank you very much. I do humble appreciate that. I don't ask for it today. Today I'm just being humble for what I get. Thank you, everyone that is here right now supporting my channel. I started out with nothing. I was alone. I was scared. I was, nobody was trading. So I didn't have any friends. Didn't have nothing. So that you are here today, we have 30 people, 29 people right now. It's a dream come true. I'm getting sentimental. I don't know. I made it. I'm here to help you guys. I don't use fibs, but gold seems to react to 50% retracement. So it's the observation. But also when I made my first 500 pip trade, single trade, there was also a gold moment, and right now that we have how many subscribers do I have to my channel? 3,000 something, 3,400, 3,340. I appreciate every one of you guys. I do really. Make me. I wouldn't never have come on this chart today if it wasn't for you guys. Yes, it is normally created around 7 or 8 a.m. Yeah, true. Yeah, true. I agree. But it's not. There's not such a thing of London breakout. When you come to like 8:49 a.m. from my time, which is just 15 minutes before London Open, that is where the volume is. But the entry was half an hour earlier. Okay, so when you're looking at the candle at around 8:45, which is on cable today, which is around here, it was already the entry was already here. Oh, wait, it was already here. That was already the best price, right? So for euro, if you're looking into euro today, we have 8:45, 8:45. That is 8:45 candle. So that is, as you can see, that's momentum candle there. But the entry was down here. That was where the best entry was. All right. As you can see, that's a daily M2. That was the best price. But if you're already in here, you already are down a couple of pips already. 7 pips down. If you're a scalper, if that even bothers you. But yeah, thank you guys. What else do we need to do? New Zealand's breaking higher. Great, fantastic. Looking to buy this one. Pound yen. Looking to buy this one. Where we're going higher. USD CAD. Did I do this? I did this earlier today. Okay. I did that. I did this when it was here, I think. So that was here. That's a good sell. That's a pretty good sell. That's a banger, by the way, people. But yeah, fantastic. Do you hold in stocks? I normally hold indices. But I'm also in a different private group that talks about stocks. So, but I don't talk about stocks. Maybe I should talk about stocks, but I don't really talk about stocks. I have mentioned my what do you call that? My philosophy before, which is conservative, which is looking to businesses with low debt, give out dividends. It's going to be there forever, like legacy value. Yeah, that is constantly going to keep giving you money. Oh, happy to help you out, Jadian. So for this USD CAD buy, we are going to be falling in April. We're already doing it. We're already on the train, and we're going down to 123.50 at least, minimally. I think I've said 120 before. I'm not sure if this was the one that was going to parity. That somebody else said it was going to parity. Like 1-to-1, like 1.0. I'm not sure if this is going to 1.0. But I talked with a dude that I absolutely respect. And he sold, I can't remember the price, but he said around 145,700. Or was it what, 145 something. So he's sold out here and he took profit around here, around 134. That, boys, that is what I want you guys to do. This is the patience that guys want to teach you. I use TD Ameritrade, I think it's called. But find your broker. I'm not going to push anything onto you. But yeah, this is patience, people. Imagine almost getting stopped out, almost getting stopped out, almost getting stopped out, almost getting stopped out for one whole month. It goes up, it goes up, it goes up, it fails, and then it falls. Okay? Always be there. So yeah, so we're going lower. So how would you trade that? Lower low, lower high. Every single day, you sell. As long as this goes lower, you're good at it. That's what you do. That's your job. Yeah. I did. What else? Oil? Anyone? I want to check out my net gas. So earlier today, yeah, okay, great, fantastic. So just put that there. XAU, silver. You guys haven't asked for silver yet, but that's a lower low, by the way. This is a reversal pattern. Please study it. Please study it. Please study, study, study. 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 That. Study, 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 study. Reversal patterns. Become great at it. Become the expert. Become the alpha male about it. Now, this is the place you buy. And then it comes back down again. This is the place you buy that candle wick there. If it comes back again, great, fantastic. I don't think it's going to do that. And then as it goes higher, you just buy. The same thing is when you go lower, you sell. When it breaks lower, you sell. When it breaks lower, and then you're continuing. And then when do you stop? You probably sold here as well. Right now it goes higher, you're out. And then you're out from all of these sells. That's why it's currently rising so much, is because sells are being stopped out. Hi Abbas, welcome. You're late. You should have come here earlier, but that's up to you. Can I just mention my CMC market based in London? Fantastic position and chart. You are allowed to mention those. I've seen those in Norway. But yeah, don't. Hello Sanjay. Is it true only 5 people can make money in trading? Yeah, and I'm part of those 5%. Yeah, I believe so. It is difficult, it is hard, it is patient, it requires a man or a woman that is top trained to do only what you're supposed to do and nothing else than that. So I believe it's only 5%, but I'm part of those. So to me, I feel like it's everyone. NFP. You are late about NFP, bro. We already talked about NFP. NFP was in the beginning of this webinar. But yeah. Okay, so let's go better. I will do better for you guys. 39 minutes, okay? DXY, broken 93, great. We are now bearish. Bearish, 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 bearish. As long as it's below here and not closing above 93.30. This is the red line. I will make a red fat line there. Fatty, fat, fatty, fat. Not above there. Okay, then Aussie made a lower low today, and I don't like that. That was mostly because of the, yeah. Did you guys mention that? Did you guys see that? So this is what I do for you guys. Okay, this is how I add value to you guys. Okay, what do you want to see? What are you looking into today? Like, what is your thing about today? I can tell you guys about today. Okay. So today, I think it was today, where we had the trade balance coming out of Australia at around 1:30 a.m. Okay, so it comes out at 7,529 million in the balance. So, and it was expected 97,000 million, and previous was 96,000, and then we have a drop from 97 to 75 million, 7,500 million, okay? That is significantly bad or worse for an exporting country. They are importing more. Last time it was -2, now it's 5%, so there's a lot of more imports. That is bad for Australia, bad, that sends it down. So, if there's anything that's important for Australia to look at for this week, was trade balance. I don't know if I mentioned it for anyone, but yeah, this moved the market. Have this in mind when you're trading Australian dollar. What does that do? Because back in a year ago, it was negative. They were importing more than exporting. That is exceptionally terrible. So if we work and trade, this is possible to join the 5% or what to give full time? Is this possible to join the 5%? Yes, it's totally possible. But it requires a lot of work. Hi, Mario, you're late. It's 10 p.m. now, people. And I will be live tomorrow. So, by the way, I forgot to mention, I will mention it again. My wife wants to give you guys a discount, okay? So currently there's $100 discount on my 6 months mentorship course. $100 off. It's costing $450. Now it costs $350. Only for Easter. It is not April's Fool. I will take it back if it's April's Fool. My wife wanted me to do this for you guys. She's the one with the gifts. Have I ever given you discount on my mentorship course? Probably not publicly. So if you're here, you're welcome. But yeah, she's the one to give. I'm not here to give anything. I only take. I will say full price every day because I have enough people. I'm happy with those who are there. Don't need more. I'm okay. But you guys want to come to me? Okay, cool. Here she is, trying to offer you a hand because the whole point of me being here is to help you guys out. Apparently. And then, yeah. Imran, what am I talking? What am I teaching? Mostly it is one-to-one conversations where we go through what you need to work on. So you need to tell me what you're struggling with. We'll work on that. Then there is 30 videos at least, minimally, on technical analysis and fundamental analysis bias. And then there is daily setups. When there is a daily setup, there's daily setups of me telling where I enter. I then go into my trading account and then I enter those trades I just mentioned to you guys in the daily setup video. And there is, I think I give out a PDF every month or every week about a new week, about what to look for, fundamental analysis, research, COT, all those things that I don't tell in this YouTube thing. But yeah, what you're basically paying for is me and you working together one-to-one on your challenges so you become better. Of course I'm sharing my strategy and my indicators. Of course. Of course. But it's mostly what do you call it? It's mostly going because people who come to my course are already pretty good in technical analysis. So I'm not really that bored when they talk about technical analysis. So I'm like, okay, cool. There's videos on that. There's a video on fundamental bias, okay? There's videos on psychology. There's videos on with the best way to find entries, how to use the pivot points, how to move around. But me and you, meet you together. We're trying to find how are you mentally going on with it. When you're losing, what do you do? When you are winning, what do you do? What you daily grind. I think it's Forex A. But you know what? I will stop selling. I'm not here to sell anything. I'm here to help you guys out. And then demand is there. Do you know what? Do you know why I started out with YouTube? Because people asked me to. Why did I start out with Facebook? I started with Facebook because people wanted me to. People wanted me to start videos. People wanted me to do this. So I'm just following along. Because I love people. And then we're having a lot of fun. Ask Hardik how that fun is going. He's laughing more than he's learning. But after Darren Hardik, he was absolutely everywhere. And now, he's so calm. He is so calm. He has had a tremendous change in his life, in his trading. I don't know if it's me, but I've at least told him to cool down, and surely it took some time, but He's a success story without any any um, any hesitation. I don't know if I don't know. Am I allowed to say that? I don't care. He's happy anyways. And what are normally people who is normally in the group? People who are normally male, has a job, has a wife, has a very stressful life, and normally living somewhere between Malaysia, Middle East, America, and Western Europe. So, in that belt. So, I don't know. Yeah, we're a good gang. We're having a lot of fun. But it's also more quiet in that group, though. For a reason. Okay, let me go back to it. I don't like this low, though. But, though, do remember that I do expect dollar weakness out of anything else. Okay? Dollar weakness before yen weakness. Yen has been weak for so long. I don't know when it will start getting bullish again. Just have that in mind. It's rolling. So it's individual for when you start. So the videos are already there, already made. You can watch them whenever you want. Four hours now, and I normally show 1 hour, yes. Yeah. So currently I'm thinking higher, high, higher, low. Waiting to go higher. CAD, going higher every day. Look at this. This is beautiful, okay? This is beautiful. Reversal, higher high, higher low. Higher high, higher low. Higher high, higher low. Higher high, higher low-ish. So yeah, fantastic. Support resistance. And then also in the course I tell you in advance what I'm expecting for the next months. I don't have to tell you guys on YouTube though, maybe I should, but I don't always tell what I truly, because there's some of the information is only for those people. So yeah, great. As you go higher, you go higher. Also New Zealand, okay. Let's see, maybe falling on also New Zealand. And then falling lower, either A or B. Either going back up to a 108.7, 108.70 down, or lower and then coming back to this price, depending. Does your wife trade? No, she doesn't trade, but she supports me and she's my technical support. So if you send me an email, it's probably her. It's probably her that's going to answer it. So be sweet to her. But yeah, no, also she doesn't trade. She understands it, but you know it's all about finding your passion. So she's better at other things. But I guess I could train her, and I tried to train her. It's also you need you need to be able to want it as well, I guess. All right. So yeah, So sometimes when I just tell her to trade, and then she gains something. So maybe I should do that every time she wants a purse. I can just tell her, okay, just do that and that and that. Just buy dollar. No, buy just sell dollar. Come back in a month, and then you can get your Gucci bag. And much more makeup. Okay, sell dollar. Buy your dollar now, and then take profit in a month. Heartache. Did I scare you today? Did I? Maya says, "How do you spot a reversal, bearish to bullish, vice versa?" First of all, about reversal, there's a couple of secrets. One, you need to expect. Okay, you need to expect it. So where does it normally happen? Number two, sorry. Number two, take profit zone. Okay, where do I expect take profit to happen? Also time, where I expect time to happen to take profit. Okay, so I then expect time, zone, and then price. Around good price. So why do I expect that as a reversal? One, you have 1700. You have time, which is April. We have April, 1st of April. You have 1700. You have around target of a week. Yeah, not really. Okay, not really weekly. And then monthly, we are way below monthly. So that would be okay. Okay, so that is past target. That is also then true. And then the last one was... What did I say? Time. Take profit zone. Round number. Yeah, probably it. I forgot the last one. So, yeah. Then, how does a reversal look like? It can happen on 1 hour or 4 hours. And it's a double bottom, higher high, higher low situation. So, 1 hour reversal looks like this. Around double bottom, higher high, higher low, or just next to each other, or a bit lower than this one, or a bit higher than the other one. And that is 1 hour. Then it can happen on the 4 hour, which it did on... Which one was that? Was it gold? Gold had a 4 hour daily double bottom. Yeah. This is now double bottom. And then something like that as well. Now, there's a couple of things to this strategy. Is how far back does it pull back when you expect the pullback? So when you are here, as we are right now, you don't know where. You just know you are alerted, you are told to be ready, and then it can become somewhere in this area. Oh, that's wrong actually. Somewhere in this area here. I don't use fib, I just use fib to be easy on myself today. Okay? Now, it can come all the way back to this level here. That would be great. Sometimes it goes a bit lower, but not lower than this low. That would invalidate it. And it come a bit down, but not down to this price, just down to the wick. So it can come down to this. Can come down to this price, this price, this price. I don't know which one it is. Okay, you're great. Good on that. Is gold reversing from the last Joe? Ali? Yes. Sentiment and not gas. I think we will do that, me and you alone, and I think that is kind of what me and you are doing. Did I fool you today in the conversation in the phone call? Did I? Okay, you're great on that reversal thing. Also New Zealand. Aussie, New Zealand. I think we did Aussie, New Zealand, didn't we? Yeah. Okay, great. Price and then price as well, yeah. And then Euro, New Zealand. Oh, okay. I think this is gonna fall. Great, fantastic. So, Zal zone. So this is another reversal. Okay, this is a reversal. Not really great, but we haven't tested this low here. So maybe you can say that was a test, but we haven't really tapped into 69 price. So I would say that's still plausible to sell from. So that would say I would wait for that, and then that happened. So first time is okay. Second time is okay. A third time is no-go zone. What is the current? So 59% is longs on that gas, so probably can short. You also want me to go through the sentiment. We are seeing more shorts coming in on Aussie dollar. Great, fantastic. That means it's going to go higher. For Aussie, we are taking profit and longs. Great, that is awesome. Let's go. Adding more shorts. They're not doing that yet, but that's great. That's bullish. Great. So I want this one to be 70, this one to be 70, this one to be 70, this one to be 70 or higher. Then Euro, we are taking profit on longs, adding shorts. That is great, great, great. Pound dollar, adding shorts, coming in, great, taking profit on longs. Everything is now lining up, great. Mwah. Gold, they're starting to sell gold, great, that's what we want. New Zealand dollar, taking profit on longs, going into shorts, great, fantastic. So, then I want this to increase. It doesn't. Okay, so what is happening right now? From this report right now, is that the retail traders are starting to buy US dollar. Great for them. No, sadly for them, great for us. So when the crowd normally starts, when the crowd starts to sell, price goes higher. So in this instance, it's going higher, 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 higher. You can see this red line going lower, going lower. That means more and more sellers coming in. Great. Because retail traders are normally mostly wrong. So as you can see here, price is going higher. Here it's almost down to 75.25. It is absolutely amazingly short by retail traders, but price keeps going higher, okay? And they were on the clue train here. They started to buy, but started to sell again. I don't know why. So they were bullish here. They were bullish here, generally speaking. These blue lines here. But then they start to short again, and then price is now going higher again. So it's an ever-ending story of when price, generally speaking, generally speaking, price is going lower, they are buying. Okay? Retailers looking to buy when price falls. When price is going higher, they are increasing sells. Retail traders, retail, sells. Okay, how do I know that? Let's go to this one, for example. This is 30% buys, 70% short, and price is going higher, higher, higher. So, great. Fantastic. Now you know which team to be on. Okay, great. Don't buy dollar for the love of God and your trading account. That's my opinion only. What is going to happen in that, guys? Nothing. Just let it ride. Oh, it's falling. Okay. I hope you break even though. Other than that, yeah, it was a trade. It was an attempt. If it doesn't happen, it doesn't go, then there's nothing we can do. Then we just wait for tomorrow a new attempt. After it goes higher high, higher low. Talk GJ. Oh, Ahmad. Hi. Yes, you are early for you. Great. Fantastic. We can do GJ. So, where do you want... Yes. Lal. Ashish. I'm going to give you... Chill. Okay? You don't need to send me 3 times. I was just about to do it, but you know what? I'm going to give you some more time to think about what you're doing. Please be civil when you're talking to me in the chat. I need to talk through when other people are asking about a pair. I can't be everywhere at all the times, okay? So if you want to be here as a good human being, and I expect you to be a good human being to me and myself and everyone else here, don't spam me. You can say it one time. If I don't see it, if I don't talk about it, if I don't mention it and I saw it, reply again. But not 3 times in a row, bro. Okay? So, what do you want to know about pound yen? Are you selling or buying? Okay? Yes, thank you. I do know that people ask for pound yen, so I will do so. But be patient. There's others as well here. Unless you are a YouTube member. If you are a YouTube member, by the way, it costs like, what is it, 14? I will make a $5 thing for you guys a month. So if you are a YouTube member, I will look to your comment right away. I will do that first, okay? So if you're impatient, $5 a month, I will do that soon. Great. That's really what you want. You're a buy. How long will it go? 160. It's just heaven at the moment. It's just whatever. As long as it's bullish, and it is, let's go and see if it is bullish. As long as market's bullish, you are buying. Okay? Use that rule. Okay. Silver, please, Sanai. I've already done it. Sani, sorry. So, where do you think it's going to go? Let's look into next week's pivots. I would look for that price around 151 or 152, depending. So if it comes down tomorrow, I will buy. If it comes down on Monday, I will buy. You took sells at the top. That would be the most. That would be a terrible trade. That just shows you to me. That shows you. Sorry if I'm very blunt with you right now, but I need to train you guys how to trade properly. You do not sell a high or a high. That is a no-no. That is. I will kick you out. Seriously, guys. I'm being serious now. If you sell higher highs, what are you expecting to happen? You just did what I told you not to guys to do. This is price goes higher, people are increasing sells. Don't do it. It's very easy. If you just have enough losses, and I'm trying to teach you guys how to take from my experience. I've done this for many years now. I've tried to sell higher highs. I've done it for you. Don't do it. It's not necessary. It only needs to take double the amount of time and pips to recover your losses. It's not worth it. Okay? So, you can be a seller, yes. You can look for sells, but you're already out. Because you were looking for sells in this area here. And you never got a sell, by the way. But this was the area to sell. Right now it's a higher high, higher low. Bye-bye. Okay? So, have a strategy, people. Okay, be serious about your trading. Don't sell higher highs. This makes me so upset. Because how are you going to win with that? How are you a winner with that mentality? We are winners. We don't sell higher highs. We sell bearish price. Yes. So did you sell in this area? Yes, then you can sell it. Great, fantastic. Sell here. Sell here. Sell here. Great. Get out. It's no longer sell here. Okay, then you look for here. You look for sells. You didn't get a sell. Then you don't do anything here. Then you're out. You as traders needs to be ruthless about your entries. You need to be absolutely sharp. Don't wish for things to happen. Prove that something can happen. And if you're going to become a professional Forex trader, what differentiates you from another one that sells in the bearish trend? That keeps to the trend. You will probably not succeed, and he will probably succeed. So, you probably need education if you sold that higher high. That is absolutely terrible. I'm sorry. I'm sorry if I'm I'm sorry. I'm sorry if I'm grumpy, late, angry, whatever. Sorry if I'm too direct with you guys. But we can't sell our higher highs. That is. We're done with those shenanigans. We're done with those mediocre trades, those terrible trades. Okay? We are better than that. We thrive to be better than that. Silver was requested for. I can do that. I've already done that already. But I can do that once again. 24.60 looks to be a good price. Buy price. I don't think it's going to be hit. But if it does, great. Fantastic. Take it if it comes down. But I will trade on the 15 minutes, higher high, higher lows, and probably before London. Okay? Great. Now we're winners. We are winners. Boom. Now, everyone else, listen to me right now. I want you guys to win. I want you guys to win. And I want you guys to win. I will be ruthless if you're doing stupid things. Because I want you guys to win. That is why we're here. So we have 24 people right now that wants to win. Great, fantastic. I love that. And then probably up to 30. Okay, 30 on silver. You're very much welcome, Sunny. Great, fantastic. Okay. I want you guys to win. I want you guys to be winners. Take it easy. Be prepared when things happen. Maybe you need to take the course. I don't know. That's up to you. But what I know, really right now, is that this is not bullish yet, but if price comes down here, I'm going to take it. Any time of the day. I did not buy here. I did not buy here. I did not buy here. And I did not buy here. Okay? Let's do it again. I did not buy here, I do not buy here, I do not buy here, I do not buy here, I did not buy here, I did not buy here, but here I'm buying. Fantastic. Okay? I think I bought here, 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 or did I buy there? I'm not sure. I was thinking of it. And then I stopped trading here. That's how I do it. And then this I skipped, this I skipped, this I skipped, this I skipped. This is not buying opportunities. This is buying opportunity. Okay, people, I've done it for 1 hour and 20 minutes. We have 19 likes. I hope you guys have subscribed to this channel. I hope you guys have liked this video. And I hope you guys are happy with what I've given you. I'm looking for USD to fall. I'm looking Aussie up, CAD up, Euro up, New Zealand up, pound up. Okay, for April, all the way of April, every single day of April. Today is the first day. Okay, very much welcome, winners. We are going to win every single day because we keep to strategy, we keep to the process. The process will set us free. The money will come in the end as long as you follow the process. Because if you buy in those areas here, you're never going to win. You're never going to win. Have a great night. Have a great day. Let's go to war.